pwedeng masira ang kidney mo.
Mas madali ring magka-impeksyon ang mga sugat na maaaring mabulok.
Well, brother ko is already amputee. Sa mga auntie ko, ilan ang amputee. Even my grandmother.
Isa sa leading cause of death sa Pilipinas ang diabetes. Kaya mahalaga ang regular...
Ang dami na may diabetes, lalo si mama. Ano kaya pwedeng ihain kay mama?
Ang ganyang blood sugar.
Okay yan, ma'am. Okay yan. Ano yan?
91.
91. Parang kagat ng langgam. Pero imagine niyo araw-araw niyo itong gagawin.
Pero baliwala ang sugar test. Kung hindi nire-record, inaaral ang pagbabago at tinatapatan ng healthy action. Diyan papasok ang Body Beaties Act.
Pamamalengke! Ano? Tara?
So, hi guys! Sila po pala yung mamalengke today. Say hi. And ang budget natin for today is 1K!
1K? Salamat ang 1K mo!
Option natin is yung ginger halibut with Brussels sprouts.
Ang katawan natin ay nangangailangan ng hormone na tinatawag na insulin. Ang insulin ang nagre-regulate ng ating blood sugar at ang ginagawa niya ay minumove niya ang sugar from our blood to our cells para magamit natin bilang energy.
Do you know the characteristics of diet? If not, then diet is essentially normal, except from the amounts of foods and their distributions in meals are controlled from day to day.
Some diet control will be necessary for the rest of the patient's life. First, we have energy. Overweight diabetics are initially placed on low-calorie diets because weight loss results in better tolerance to carbohydrate. Individuals of normal weight are given sufficient calories to maintain their weight. Next is protein. About 1.5 grams per kilograms body weight is usually allowed. The higher level is more typical for patients who show a preference for protein-rich foods. However, a low-protein diet is beneficial in persons with diabetes with the onset of macroalbuminuria. Lastly, we have carbohydrate and fat. After subtracting the calories provided by the protein, the remainder of the calories for the day is usually divided about equally between carbohydrate and fat. The number of grams of fat is ordinarily about the same as the number of grams of protein. The amount of carbohydrate is roughly twice the number of grams of protein.
So let's talk about our food exchange list. Food exchange list is a group of food with similar nutrients. It's allowing them to be exchanged in an equal portions for our food planning or meal planning. So we have 7 groups of food exchange lists. The first one is the fruits, vegetables, milk, fats, sugar, meat, and lastly is the starches.
Hello mga ka-nutrition! Today, pag-uusapan natin ang aming menu of the day gamit ang food exchange system at meal pattern. Pero don't worry, walang komplikadong math dito. Quick trivia muna tayo guys. Ang food exchange system ay parang currency o palitan sa mga pagkain. Based sa mga nakikita natin rules dito, if they are in the same exchange group or has the same nutritional values, pwede silang ipagpalitan. Kasi pare-parehas lang din ang makukuha nating nutrition dito. So hi guys, today I will show you how to properly cook our main dish, which is the ginger halibut with Brussels sprouts. Pero plot twist, paano kung walang halibut fish o Brussels sprouts sa palengke? Don't panic! Dito na papasok ang food exchange system. Ang halibut fish ay pinalitan natin ng cream dory. Sa food exchange list, pareho silang under ng meat exchange group. Dahil pareho silang lean fish, legal na legal ang palitan. Para naman sa Brussels sprouts, ginawa nating combo ng broccoli at cauliflower. Ang 1/2 cup ng broccoli at 1/2 cup ng cauliflower ay automatic katumbas ng 1 vegetable exchange.
Ibabrush natin yung lemon juice sa fillet natin. Ibabrush natin siya, brush.
After brushing lemon juice on both sides, we will now sprinkle with minced ginger, 1/4 teaspoon salt and pepper on both sides. After heating the pan, place fish skin side down. Fry it until the fish just begins to flake easily with a fork.
Kailangan kasi hindi siya totally na crispy.
I-prepare naman natin ay ating vegetable side, which are the cauliflower and the broccoli. Alam niyo ba na isa sa 10 matatanda sa buong mundo ay may diabetes? Pero karamihan sa kanila ay hindi aware about dito.
Ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin ang meal pattern. Ito ang nagtuturo kung paano iyon hahatiin at ipapamahagi sa bawat oras ng kainan, from breakfast, lunch, dinner, hanggang snacks. Ang meal pattern ay hindi gumagamit ng grams o calorie counts habang nagpaplano ng plate. Sa halip, isinasalin nito ang kanyang nutritional targets gamit ang food exchanges. Bibigyan tayo nito ng fixed number ng slots o allowances para sa bawat food group kada mealtime. For example na lang ay yung nasa ating nutrition book.
So ayun guys, since tapos na po tayo sa ating procedure, mag-plating na po tayo ng dish natin. So dito po, ang gagamitin po natin is yung mga presentable pig natin.
Dahil may main dish na tayo, ano kayang pwede nating maging snack? Anong snacks? Chicken roll up! Ano, tara?
The clinical manifestations of diabetes mellitus are feeling very thirsty, urinating more often, feeling hungry all the time, feeling tired, blurred vision, cuts or wounds that heal slowly.
Pag-usapan naman natin ang polysaccharides. Alam nyo ba, ang polysaccharides ay isang complex carbohydrates. Ito ay nadadigest ng ating katawan ng mas mabagal kumpara sa simple sugars. Kaya ito ay mas advisable sa mga diabetic patient.
Isa sa mga paraan dito ay ang CCHO o di kaya ang tinatawag nating consistent carbohydrate diet, kung saan hindi natin iniiwasan ang carbohydrate pero dapat natin gawing goal ang pagkain ng same amount of healthy carbs every day, gaya ng whole grains, high fibers, and others to keep our blood sugar stable.
We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Hey!
Ano nga ba ang food exchange system? Ito ay isang meal planning method na ginagamit ng mga taong may diabetes mellitus. Tinutulungan nito ang mga pasyente na pumili ng iba't ibang pagkain habang nasusunod pa rin ang tamang amount ng carbohydrates, proteins, at fats. So hi guys, tapos na po kami sa pag-prepare ng meal plan for diabetic person. So yung ginawa po namin main dish, ito po. Sinabi ako sa video. And then, yung snack po namin. And then, yung drinks. So, magte-taste test na po tayo. Kung masarap na.
Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Clocks tick loud, the world won't wait. Every step decides our fate. Hearts on fire, no room for doubt. In this race, we're breaking out. We race the sun, no time.